How to autofill a sequence of number in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this intermediate Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you several ways to autofill sequential number in Excel. You can go by row basis and you can also go by column basis. Let's get started. First, I'm going to write here 1 and this is our starting point, okay? Now, if I drag it and use the autofill, we can copy the numbers, okay? We can drag it to the right also. The second way is to click and drag. Click on this autofill option drop down and click on fill series, okay? The third way, select, double click, go to autofill option, fill series. The next way, I'm going to write here 3 and I want to autofill all the odd numbers. I'm going to select 1 and 3. Then I can either drag or double click. And we have all the odd number. Let's write here 2 and then 4 and select this 2 and 4. And if I double click here, we have all the even number sequence. Okay. Now let's write here 1 and then write here 10. Now if I autofill this series, it will always add 9 to the next cell. If I double click here, you can see 1, 10, 19, 28. Okay. So you can add like this random number with your sequence. Okay. Now you can do almost everything if you drag to the right, but the problem is you cannot double click to autofill to the right. Okay. But without that, you can do everything. You can use fill series. You can multiply it just like I have done for the column. You can do it for the rows. Now here I'm going to show you an excellent trick. This is not very common, but it could be really interesting. I'm going to write here 1 and then I'm going to write here 5. Okay. Now I'm going to select these two. Now instead of left clicking, I'm going to right click on this fill handle and then drag. And here you will see the context menu appear. And usually our menu will have these 4 options, not these and not these. And obviously we cannot see growth trend if we left click. So if I click on this option, growth trend, and you can see this cell has been multiplied by 5. Okay, 1, then 5, 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 5, 125. You can do that also. So this is how you can autofill sequential number in Excel. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you learned something new from this video, please let me know in the comment. Thank you. Thanks for watching.